A Small Bird and a Golden Crown, a short story. Once in a forest, there was Little Bird who loved singing very much. One day, a big bird heard Little Bird singing. Big Bird was jealous and told Little Bird, "Stop singing, you are too small and your voice is very bad. I don't like it." The small bird felt and didn't stop singing. She practiced every day, and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard a bird's beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. Never give up and believe yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.